I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious marshmallows. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need 3 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Also, prepare your 9 by 13-inch pan by lightly greasing it and dusting with powdered sugar. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the sweet foundation for our marshmallows. In the bowl of your stand mixer, sprinkle 3 packets of gelatin over 1/2 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium saucepan, combine 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and the remaining 1/4 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then stop stirring and let it reach precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This is where the magic happens. Once your syrup reaches 240 degrees, carefully and slowly pour it into the bloomed gelatin in your stand mixer bowl while the mixer is running on low speed. Increase the speed to high and whip the mixture for about 12 to 15 minutes. It will transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly fluffy white cloud. In the last minute of whipping, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that delightful aroma and taste. Almost there. Once whipped, immediately pour the warm, fluffy marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Use a greased spatula to spread it evenly. Now the hardest part, patience. Let the marshmallows set at room temperature for at least 4 hours or even overnight until firm. Once set, dust the top with more powdered sugar, invert onto a cutting board and cut into 1-inch squares. Enjoy your wonderfully soft, homemade marshmallows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.